Do you want to turn on comments on your Instagram story? You can enable a comment box on Instagram stories with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn on comments on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To enable comments on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. At the top right of your Instagram profile, tap the three horizontal lines menu. Now, a new screen will appear. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with Your section. Under this, you will see various settings. Find and tap on Comments. Again, a new screen appears. Scroll down to the Who Can Comment section and tap on Stories. Under the Controls section, you will see various options like Everyone, People You Follow, and Turn Off. Select Everyone or People You Follow to enable replies to your stories. If you select Everyone, anyone who views your story can reply. If you choose People You Follow, only people you follow can reply to your story. Once enabled, your friends and followers will see a comment option on your Insta story.